Hi folks, I'm Ian Baker, and today I want to talk about the Thor Ace Class A Motorhome. It is Thor's shorter entry-level Class A that is quickly becoming one of the most popular Class A's in the market. The floor plans range from around 29 to 35 foot, but make no mistake, they are not short on power. The Ace is built on the Ford F53 chassis and houses the 6.8-liter V10 engine, putting out 320 horsepower and 460 foot-pounds of torque. The Ace chassis is sent to MoRide, where it is optimized for storage and completely balanced so the motorhome sits square and rides true. On top of the chassis sits the welded tubular steel floor for maximum support. Unlike many manufacturers, all the plumbing, electrical, and ductwork in the Ace is actually run on top of the floor for easy serviceability. In fact, the Ace does several things to aid in easy troubleshooting and serviceability. For example, the hot and cold water lines are appropriately colored for easy identification when working on plumbing. The electrical lines are also color-coded, and the harnesses are connected together by locking pins and quality tested to prevent connections from coming apart due to vibration during travel. The cabinets in the Ace are all made in-house, and the cabinet doors are handcrafted and stained solid wood doors. The sidewalls, roof, and floor are all vacuum bond laminated, and any slide rooms are actually cut from the sidewall there to be installed in, so you have a perfect fit and color match every time. The Ace also uses a urethane automotive style bonded windshield and one-piece fiberglass front cap for a perfect seal and sleek look.
Now let's take a look at the Ace floor plans. All of them have a drop-down overhead bunk in the cab area to provide a spot for 2 more campers to sleep. They also come with an exterior 32-inch TV for relaxed viewing under the awning. First up, we have the shortest of them coming in at a shade under 29 feet, the Ace 27.2. Unique for a shorter Class A motorhome, this model features a slide-out king bed with a 32-inch TV in the bedroom. You'll also find a rear corner bath. There are a pair of pocket doors to make the entire setup a master suite, or you can use the provided privacy curtain. The living area has a slide-out containing the kitchen counter, sink, cooktop, and the booth dinette. The dinette has a 40-inch TV above it. This sits across from the 68-inch jackknife sofa. You'll find the kitchen is split with the fridge on the sofa side, as well as a pantry and broom closet. If you're looking for a bunk model, then you'll want to check out the Ace 30.2. Limited in availability, this floor plan features a full wall slide, pulling out the entire driver's side from cab to the rear. In it, you'll find the bedroom closet and dresser. The kitchen setup and booth dinette is found in the 27.2, plus a pair of stacked twin bunks. The living area continues its 27.2 similarities with the jackknife sofa, fridge, and broom closet on the passenger side. The 30.2 also features a unique slide-out pantry off the kitchen counter. Next up, the Ace 30.3 switches it up a little with both the Dream Dinette and Jackknife sofa sharing a slide-out on the driver's side and placing the entire kitchen on the passenger side. This model also features a large 30 by 36 inch shower in the walk-through bathroom and a walk-around queen bed contained in its own slide-out. Speaking of walk-around queen beds, if this is on your must-have list, then check out the Ace 30.4. This floor plan has the queen bed centered against the back wall flanked by wardrobe closets, plus has a solid folding door enclosure so you can enjoy some private TV time watching on the 32-inch TV. A large living area slide contains the entire kitchen, jackknife sofa, and more wardrobe closet space. A 40-inch swing-out TV is on the passenger side above the booth dinette. Next up, we have another bunk bed model, the Ace 32.3. The 32.3 is similar to the 30.2 with a couple notable exceptions. In the bedroom, you'll find a walk-around king bed, and the bathroom has a single entry door. Lastly is the largest of the Ace floor plans, the 33.1. This model has a pair of slide-outs on the driver's side. Up front, the booth dinette and a sofa bed are in a single slide. In the back, you'll find a walk-around king bed in its own slide. What's unique to this model are the pair of theater seats sitting across from living room slide-out and the 40-inch TV above the sofa bed. These theater seats with their integrated footrests can stretch out to accommodate a bit of snoozing if your campers want to fall asleep watching TV.
So now that we've covered both construction and floor plans available, let's review some of the amenities and options available in the Ace. Let's start with the fact that these shorter motorhomes have a powerful V10 engine and 8,000-pound hitch, making them excellent for towing. When it comes to space utilization, all Ace floor plans come standard with a cab over bed. This is a fantastic feature to have as it tucks away when not in use and provides very valuable and often hard to come by sleeping space for adult guests. The Ace is also pet friendly with a pull-out kibble station, doggy window, and pet tie-down all included. Although the entire Ace lineup is under 35 foot, they certainly don't feel small on account of the interior height being 84 inches. In fact, some floor plans have over 125 cubic foot of exterior storage. And when it comes to entertainment, every Ace features a 32-inch exterior TV with Bluetooth soundbar and either a 40 or 50-inch TV with Blu-ray inside. The Ace Motorcoach by Thor truly does have a lot to offer. From the build quality to well laid out floor plans and amazing features, it's no wonder that Ace is becoming the #1 gas motorhome in the country.